Good morning, students. In last video we have completed oxidation of aldehyde and ketones, and now in today's video we are going to do reductions of aldehyde and ketone. Reduction of aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones can be reduced in two different ways: partial reduction partial reduction to alcohols, or they can be reduced completely, complete reduction to alkane. Now partial reduction occurs by, we can use either lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. We can use sodium borohydride followed by hydrolysis, and or it can be reduced by hydrogen in presence of nickel. Whereas complete reduction, it also occurs by three different ways. One is your Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction, and HI in presence of red phosphorus at 150 degrees Celsius. So let us start. First, partial reduction of aldehyde and ketone. So partial reduction of aldehyde and ketones to alcohols. Yes, we will take first partial reduction. So partial reductions will occur, that is propanol. Now it may be reduced by lithium aluminium hydride. अल्कोहल की प्रिपरेशन में हमने ये रिएक्शन भी की है. इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू CH3 CH2 CH2OH. We may use hydrogen in presence of nickel. We may use hydrogen in presence of nickel. It will also reduce it to CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Or we may use sodium borohydride, CH3 COCH3 with sodium borohydride, NaBH4. It will again produce alcohol. So alcohols can be reduced to alcohol either by using lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, or hydrogen in presence of nickel. You may take care, if we have compound CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH, and you are asked to oxidize it, reduce it into CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH2OH, or you may be asked to reduce it into CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. Means we can reduce it in two different ways. In the first method, aldehyde will be reduced to alcohol, as well as double bond is also reduced to single bond. Whereas in the second, we have reduced aldehyde to alcohol, but double bond remains as such. There is no change in double bond. Means only aldehyde is reduced. If we are to reduce only aldehyde, then what reagent you will used? If we want to reduce only aldehyde, then we will use sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride will reduce aldehyde to alcohol, but double bond is not reduced by sodium borohydride. and if we want to reduce both, then we can use lithium aluminum hydride या hydrogen in presence of nickel, or you may use hydrogen in presence of nickel. It will reduce aldehyde group to alcohol as well as double bond to single bond. Also take care that if double bond is present in conjugation with aldehyde group, in conjugation means alternate position पर CH3 CH double bond CH CHO, it is in present, if it is present in conjugation with CHO, then sodium borohydride will also reduce double bond. तब ये आपको अगर कंजुगेशन में है तब ये डबल बॉन्ड को भी रिड्यूस कर देगा. इफ इट इज इन कंजुगेशन, कंजुगेशन मीन्स CH डबल बॉन्ड CH जो है जहाँ आपकी ये रेजोनेंस आ सकती है, ये आपकी कंजुगेशन है. तो कंजुगेशन में होगा तो सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड इसको रिड्यूस कर देगा, अदरवाइज सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड डबल बॉन्ड को रिड्यूस नहीं करता है. सो दिस इज reduction of aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketone can be reduced to hydrocarbons, to alcohols either by lithium aluminum hydride, by hydrogen in presence of nickel, or by sodium borohydride. Next is reduction to alkanes. complete reduction. Important reaction है इसके अंदर, स्पेशली नेम रिएक्शन है. एंड फर्स्ट इज Clemmensen reduction. It is a reduction of aldehyde or ketones with zinc amalgam in HCl. Any aldehyde CH3 CHO is reduced by nascent hydrogen which is produced by zinc amalgam. Amalgam means it's alloy with mercury in presence of HCl. Zinc amalgam oblique HCl, it will produce CH3. Alkane will be the product and water. It may be ketones also, CH3 COCH3 reduced with zinc amalgam oblique HCl, CH3 CH2 CH3 and water. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन. नेम रिएक्शन है, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन भी पूछा जाता है कि डिस्क्राइब या गिव क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन. सेकंड इज वोल्फ किशनर रिडक्शन. It is a reduction of carbonyl compounds with hydrazine in presence of alkali like glycols या KOH. Carbonyl compound when heated with a mixture of hydrazine and strong base. Carbonyl compound like CH3 CHO with hydrazine. हाइड्रोजन की वजह से हम इसके साथ रिएक्शन करवा चुके हैं आपको. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन विद रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर. उसमें आपका CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड NH2 प्रोड्यूस होता है, फिर इथेनल हाइड्रेजोन. बट व्हेन दिस इथेनल हाइड्रेजोन इज हीटेड विद KOH है या ग्लाइकोल हो, टेम्परेचर 453 to 473 Kelvin. 473 Kelvin मीन नियरली 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर. हीट अगर इसको किया जाए then it will convert into ethane and nitrogen. Here water is removed in the first step. So you can say the overall reaction, एक स्टेप में अगर आप इसमें रिएक्शन देना चाहें तो CH3 CHO प्लस हाइड्रेजीन NH2 in presence of KOH temperature 475 Kelvin, or in presence of glycol you can also write, that is also act as strong base. Now product is CH3 ethane plus nitrogen plus water. So this is the reaction, Wolff-Kishner reaction in one step. So third method of reduction, complete reduction, is HI in presence of red phosphorus. HI is a strong reducing agent. HI is a strong reducing agent, and it will reduce aldehydes, it will reduce ketones, it will reduce carboxylic acid also in presence of red phosphorus at 150 degree Celsius temperature. It will reduce aldehydes to alkane plus water plus 2 iodine. If we have ketone, so ketones are also reduced by HI in presence of red phosphorus at 150 degree Celsius into alkane CH3CH2CH3 plus water plus iodine. एंड नोट करके ये भी लिख लें कि अगर ये आपका कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है CH3CH2COOH, then carboxylic acids are also reduced by HI in presence of red phosphorus and 150 degree Celsius temperature to alkane. Carboxylic acids are also reduced by in aldehyde and ketones 2 iodines, in carboxylic acid 3 iodines, 6 HI यहाँ पर यूज होंगे. Even alcohols are also reduced. If you have CH3 CH2OH, then alcohols are also reduced by HI in presence of red phosphorus at 150 degree Celsius to alkane plus water plus iodine. So HI in presence of red phosphorus is strong reducing agent. It will reduce aldehydes to alkane, it will reduce ketones to alkane, it will reduce carboxylic acid to alkane, and it will reduce alcohols to alkane. So these are the reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketone. Reduction to alcohols either by lithium aluminum hydride or by nickel in presence of hydrogen, or by sodium borohydride. So the hydrogen in presence of nickel will act as catalyst, or sodium borohydride. It may be reduced to alkane by Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Kishner reductions, and HI in presence of red phosphorus. Now one or two more reactions. Reaction with PCl5 aldehyde RCHO. Reaction with PCl5 produce RCCl. Oxygen is removed and 2 chloro get attached with a carbon atom, and POCl3 means Zam dichlorides are produced. These are Zam dichlorides. Zam dichloride means 2 chlorine at the same carbon atom. 2 chlorine at the same carbon atom. Zam dichlorides are produced. One more reaction with chloroform. Again addition, ketones condense with chloroform in the presence of potassium hydroxide to produce chlorotone. क्लोरोफॉर्म में हम ये रिएक्शन करवा भी चुके हैं. स्पेशली एसीटोन की रिएक्शन है, रिएक्शन ऑफ एसीटोन विद क्लोरोफॉर्म CHCl3. Simple addition reaction will take place CH3COH, CH3 and CCl3, which is called chloritone, and this is used as hypnotic. क्लोरोफॉर्म में ये रिएक्शन है आपकी. दिस इज यूज्ड एज हिप्नोटिक मीन्स जो आपकी नींद की गोलियाँ होती हैं उनको हम हिप्नोटिक्स बोलते हैं, जो हमारे सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम को सप्रेस करके स्लीपिंग इंड्यूस करती है. So this is some reactions of reduction reactions of aldehyde and ketones, and two more reaction with PCl5. You can write here reaction with PCl5. Zam dichlorides are produced. another is reaction with chloroform. तो इससे लास्ट वीडियो में हमने ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शंस ऑफ एल्डिहाइड पढ़ी, आज रिडक्शन रिएक्शंस ऑफ एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स एंड रिडक्शन रिएक्शंस एंड रिएक्शन विद PCl5 एंड क्लोरोफॉर्म। तो आज इसमें हम इतना ही लेते हैं क्योंकि इसके बाद जो दो रिएक्शंस हैं एल्डोल कैनिजारो और एल्डोल रिएक्शन एंड कैनिजारो रिएक्शंस बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शंस हैं, उसके हम दोनों रिएक्शन की वीडियो अलग ही लेंगे। उसके बाद हमारा एल्डिहाइड कीटोन्स कंप्लीट होता है, फिर हम लेंगे अपना नेक्स्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स। थैंक यू।